guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you're welcome to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are not here subscribe, you just pass and click my video. Don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this gorgeous look here. I really do love it. So let's get started. I will be using Jamaica Black Castle oil to moisturize my hair. Then I will detangle my hair with a brush. After detangle it, then I will divide it into two places. This is the most difficult place to divide it into two places because it's the middle. You can't see it from the mirror. To make it straight, you have to like work hard. Like this most difficult place to cut something, like you are cutting something, you are not seeing what you are cutting, but when the comb wave you are using to parting it, you will feel it on your hair that the comb wave is not straight. Then I was trying to make it straight, but anyway, then it was straight. So after parting it into two places, I will just clip the front side, then clip the back side so that it will not add together. That's why I'm just clipping it in different way. Then I will be take a little bit of side in the two side. I will braid it because this is the one I'm going to be putting bead, like to bring the look I'm looking. I will repeat this process for the other side, still braid the other side.
Her body, she ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah. I want to girl, you are me island.
So after braiding it, I was just checking around if the hair are together again to be sure that the hair are together. I will brush it. So I will apply gel for the back side. The gel I will be using contour shea butter. I will just apply it on top of my hair, not that much to be slick down. As you see, I was just like dapping it on top and around. If you have thick hair, you can still apply a lot to make all the hair slip. So after applying gel, then I will tie it down with rubber. Repeat the process in front side, still apply gel to tie it down. Then I will tie the hair down with my satin scarf and do my makeup. I will come back again. After I finish my makeup, I will just add this bead accessory to the two side. Then after adding the bead, I will tie it down like so that it will not fall out. Then I add 6 here. The other braid was 6. Total is 12, like that.
Oh no, oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go. VQs. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah.
After taking down my scarf, then I will be putting this bun on top. It have 2 clips. Then I will use one to hook it in the back side, use one to hook it in the front side, then draw the rubber, the string, so that it will tight. Use the leftover to run the inside the bun of my natural hair. Then I will still repeat the process for the back side, still draw the string, then use it to tie it around, then add the hair accessory on it, like side. Just use hand to play with the hair. This is the final look, guys. As I said before, if you are not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh,
Stay blessed and happy, guys.
I want to meet